Welcome to the best picks. The best electric guitars is probably one of the most exciting instruments a child can learn. The vibrant sounds and versatility of electric guitars open up a world of musical possibilities, from rock and pop to blues and beyond. In this video, we'll explore some of the top electric guitars perfect for young beginners, helping you find the ideal instrument to spark your child's musical journey. Number 5. Best Choice Products 30 inches Kids Acoustic Guitar. This all-inclusive set comes with everything a beginner needs. It includes a carrying case, extra strings, a strap, and a pick set. It's ready to go right out of the box. You'll get access to lessons for all levels through our partner, Zealot. The app, available on iOS and Android, also includes a digital tuner. It's easy to tune anywhere. Made from durable hardwood with a lacquered finish, it's built to match the look and feel of a full-sized guitar. The design allows kids to learn to play in comfort. This guitar recreates the iconic curves and sound of a classical acoustic guitar. The design is ideal for beginners and helps reduce player fatigue. It's ideally sized for children to reach every note on the fretboard. Available in a variety of unique colors and styles, so your child can find their unique sound. Its dimensions are 30 inches long, 10.5 inches wide, and 2.75 inches high. What we like. This guitar comes with everything a beginner needs, making it super convenient. Plus, with included lessons, learning is a breeze. If you're looking for an easy start with a classical feel, this is the perfect choice for young learners. What people say. The guitar is the perfect size for my 6-year-old. The guitar is well made and sounds great. The amp is small but works well. Number 4. Best Choice 39 inches Electric Guitar Starter Kit, Hollywood Blue. This complete kit includes everything you need to start playing. It comes with an amplifier, carrying case, extra strings, a pick, a whammy bar, and a shoulder strap. You won't need to buy anything else. This electric guitar set is designed for both beginners and intermediate players. It's ready to play right out of the box. It's custom designed to convert vibration to an electric sound. The guitar features a quality paint finish, custom black tuning pegs, and accented binding. It has a sleek and sophisticated look. It's designed to make you look good while you play. Experiment with different styles and genres of music. You can adjust the sound to play anything from blues to rock. The tremolo bridge system allows you to bend the pitch. It's custom designed with a composite fretboard and maple neck. It converts vibrations to a rich, rock sound. It also includes 3 single-coil pickups and a matching color whammy bar. What we like. This kit offers a full electric guitar experience right out of the box, including an amplifier and all the accessories. With its customizable sound, it allows for experimenting with different music styles. If you like to rock out and explore different genres, this guitar is your best bet. What people say. It's incredibly easy to play right out of the box. The sound quality is more than adequate for learning. The guitar itself plays surprisingly well and looks great, definitely a solid starter kit. Number 3. Best Choice Products 30 inches Kids Electric Guitar Kit. This guitar is perfectly sized for kids, allowing them to start learning early. They won't have to wait to grow into a full-sized guitar. It's a great way to kickstart their musical journey. Included are 4 months of free lessons through our partner, Zealot. The app offers lessons for all levels and a digital tuner. It's easy to tune anywhere with this app. This guitar is designed to look and play like a standard one. It features an all-wood build and a shiny finish. It's built to last, providing years of musical enjoyment. This all-inclusive set comes with everything you need. It includes a gig bag, extra strings, a guitar strap, a cloth, and extra picks. You won't need to buy any extra accessories. The kit includes a 5-watt, battery-operated amplifier. It comes with a plug-in cable to connect to the guitar. It strengthens the pickup signals and magnifies the music. What we like. Designed specifically for kids, this guitar ensures a comfortable playing experience. It also comes with lessons and a tuner to help them learn. If you have a young aspiring guitarist, this guitar will set them up for success. What people say. Purchased for 9-year-old grandson. He wanted a guitar that was more like real ones. This was a hit for him. It was the perfect size and came with everything he needed to make music. Overall, zero complaints on build quality and sound, but would definitely take the time to adjust it out of the box, as you should with any guitar regardless of price point. The quality of the product is very nice. Number 2. LyxPro 30-inch electric guitar starter kit, blue. This is the ultimate starter package for young musicians. It includes everything they need to start rocking right away. The set is perfect for novice and intermediate players aged 9 to 12. This real electric guitar has the same scale and high-quality materials as a full-size instrument. It features a premium rosewood fingerboard and a Canadian maple neck. It also has volume and tone knobs. The kit includes a 20W amp with a built-in speaker, headphone jack, and AUX input. They can play along with music from their phone or MP3 player. The amp has controls for gain, bass, treble, volume, and grind. A battery-operated mini clip-on tuner and instruction book are included to help kids tune their guitar. The kit also comes with 6 strings, 2 picks, and a comfortable shoulder strap. This all-in-one set is a budding musician's dream. Learning the guitar has never been so easy, whether at home, school, or lessons. It's the perfect present for Christmas, birthdays, and beyond. What we like. This guitar provides a more professional setup with a 20W amplifier and a digital tuner. It's designed for intermediate players. If you are looking for a step up in quality and features, this is the one. What people say. Everything works and is of good quality for the price. The guitar is overall well built and looks just as depicted. The amp provides enough volume to have a lot of fun but not wake up grandma. It also has a headphone jack. It has quite a bit of range, again for the price, and the built-in distortion is rather pleasant, think early Black Sabbath, but also able to get more modern tones by playing with the bass and treble. The clip-on tuner worked as expected and is very easy to use. The strap is functional and appropriate. Number 1. ZENY 30-inch electric guitar kit. Introducing the ZENY 30-inch electric guitar kit, perfect for young musicians. This kit has everything they need to start their musical journey. It's designed for beginners, right out of the box. This guitar is made with all-wood construction and steel strings. It also features an attractive, smooth finish. It's built to last and provide a great playing experience. The kit includes a 5W amplifier, cable, strap, extra strings, and picks. This ensures that they have all the necessary accessories to start playing right away. It comes with a nylon carrying case. This makes it easy for them to transport the guitar and store it safely. They can take it anywhere. With this guitar, little ones can channel their inner rock star. They'll be playing their favorite tunes in no time. It's the perfect gift for aspiring musicians. What we like. This guitar is built with quality materials and comes with all the necessary accessories. It includes a gig bag and strap for easy transport. If you are looking for a complete and ready-to-go package, this guitar is a great choice. What people say. The amp, strap, cable, everything was included, and setup was a breeze. This isn't just a toy, it's a real instrument that gives kids a huge confidence boost and a chance to express themselves. They are just the right size for the kids to learn on. They are very durable and have a good sound. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.